All Master Lock electronic built-in locker lock models are easy to install. First, remove the keypad module, lock module, and Bluetooth connected fob designed for ADA applications from the package, and refer to the instruction sheet. The lock is designed to function on 1/32, half-inch, and 3/4-inch door depths, and works on left and right hinge doors. Open the locker door and, with one hand, align the front housing with the two mounting holes. With your other hand, feed the connection ribbon through the large middle mounting hole. If the diameter of the two smaller mounting holes are undersized, widen the holes using a 7/32-inch drill bit. Line up the lock module on the back of the door and attach the connection ribbon. Feed excess ribbon through the center mounting hole back into the recessed pocket of the lock module. Line up the threaded screws from the keypad module with the holes in the lock module. Install the nuts on the threaded screws and tighten with a 3/8-inch hollow nut driver. Close the locker door and test the lock's functions.